Australia is Canberra. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. However, it is the sixth biggest country in the world after Brazil, USA, China, Canada, and Russia, and the only country bordered by the water. So their currency is Australian dollars or AUD. Their flag meaning is it has the Union Jack in the canton of blue field displaying 5 white pointed stars in the form of the Southern Cross constellation plus 7-pointed Commonwealth star, it representing the 6 Australian states and the Northern Territory. And their religion is Christianity. Their carrier is Qantas Airways Limited. Their international airport is Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport, Melbourne Airport, Brisbane Airport, and the Perth Airport. And here's the map of Australia. And their tagline is "There's nothing like Australia." And there is 10 food or cuisine in Australia. The first one is chicken parmigiana. It's originated from Italy. It is their traditional Australian food that is found in almost every pub in Australia. The next one is meat pies. Australian and New Zealander meat pie is made with flaky pastry that is filled with gravy and minced meat. The next one is barramundi. It is a sea bass filled with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. The next one is lamington. It is the world-famous Australian culinary icon. Lamington consists of a sponge cake that is dipped in chocolate and sprinkled. The next one is barbecue snacks. It is the thick Australian sausage, usually with a mild flavor and made with beef, pork, garlic, and onions. The next one is pavlova. It is one food that is uniquely Australian, a food reserved for especially in occasions and holidays. The next one is grilled kangaroo. It's a cut of meat taken from the kangaroo. It is lean and has distinct flavor, often described as gamey. The next one is Australian burger. It is loaded. Australian burger is a mild high burger with egg, bacon, cheddar cheese, pineapple, pickled beef, and more. The next one is Vegemite on toast. Vegemite is an Australian food icon which can be consumed daily.
Next naman po natin ay ang culture sa Australia. So, people in Australia are known for their love of the outdoors, laid-back approach to life, and weekend cafe culture, as most of Australia's major cities are found along the coastline. Many people go to the beach for a swim or to the park for lunch. Cafe culture is a big part of the lifestyle too. So, gaya po natin mga Pilipino, yung mga Australians daw po, mahal din po nila yung kape. 'Di ba? Parang hindi nila kaya mabuhay nang walang kape, just like us Filipinos. So, another po, dagdagan ko lang po yung sinabi ko kanina sa culture ng Australia. Ang Australia po, ay deeply enriched by its indigenous heritage, boasting the world's oldest continuous living cultures. So, mostly po ng mga old living cultures po ay makikita po sa Australia. Like indigenous Australians with their diverse languages, traditions, and art have significantly influenced the national identity. So this heritage blends with a vibrant multicultural society, creating a unique tapestry where traditional Aboriginal practices coexist with contemporary influences from around the globe. The cultural landscape is marked by an appreciation for the natural environment, a love for outdoor activities, and a laid-back, egalitarian spirit. This unique blend of ancient traditions and modern multiculturalism defines the essence of Australian culture. So, yun po, siguro, mostly ng mga tao sa Australia is more adventurous than other people in other countries. Kasi yung mga tao daw po or yung mga Australian people ay mas prefer po nila yung mga outdoor activities. Next naman po ay yung festival. So, maraming festival sa Australia. Pero, pumili lang po kami ng iilan. So, first is the Wood Folk Festival. Ito. Oops. Ayan po. Wood Folk Festival. Wood Folk Festival is one of Australia's most renowned and vibrant cultural events. Just like us din po ulit, tayo mga Filipino, 'di ba? Mahilig po tayo sa mga ganito. Held annually in Woodford, Queensland. It spans 6 days and nights. So, mahaba-haba po itong duration ng festival na to. Nagsisimula po siya sa December 27 and culminating on January 1st. Which is yung January 1st po, di ba alam naman po natin, is celebration po ng New Year. So the festival features a diverse array of performances and activities, including music, dance, theater, comedy, and workshops, celebrating both traditional and contemporary arts. So sobrang rich po ng culture talaga ng Australia. Kasi meron nga silang festival na pinapahalagan or lagi nilang ini-include yung mga performances ng mga Australian people or kahit ng hindi mga Australian people. Lagi po silang merong mga music, dance, theater, comedy, and workshops. Ayun, nag-aano pa po. Sobrang pagmamahal po nila dun sa culture po nila. Nagtatayo pa po sila ng workshop para po may matutunan din po yung iba pong tao na willing pong matuto ng paano kumanta, sumayaw, umarte, o magpatawa po. Which is the reason kung bakit masasabi po natin na they are really rich when it comes to contemporary arts. So next naman, Adelaide Festival of Arts. Melbourne International Comedy Festival or also known as MICE. Yung 6 states ng Australia and their capitals.
New Zealand. New Zealand is an independent and sovereign state that consists of two main islands, which is the North Island and the South Island, and numerous smaller ones. It shares maritime borders with Australia, Fiji, Tonga, American Samoa, Kiribati, Samoa, French Polynesia, and the Ross Dependency, a region in Antarctica. The real aim of New Zealand encompasses the three autonomous jurisdictions of New Zealand, the Cook Islands, and Niue. This is the flag of New Zealand po. This is the capital of New Zealand, Wellington. Currency, New Zealand dollar. This is the 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. Religion, Protestants, Roman Catholic, other Christian, Jewish, Buddhist, Muslim, Hindu, other religions, no religions. Career, Air New Zealand Limited. Map. Tagline, Line of the long white cloud where dreams come alive. The name given to the North Island of New Zealand when the Maori navigators first saw sign of the new land in the formation of drawn out strand of clouds spreading across the horizon. Mga foods po sa New Zealand. Roast lamb, mussels with cheese, Afghan cookies, oyster soup, meat pie, steaks, baked pork with veggies, pork with apples, fish and potatoes, and panlava cake. This is the top 3 tourist spot in New Zealand. Milford Sound, Aoraki Mount Cook, Bay of Islands. This is the culture of New Zealand, Maori. Ang ginagawa po nila dito is weaving, canving, group performance po, then tattoos.
So, Melanesia is a sub-region and merong countries na Fiji, New Caledonia, Papua, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, and Vanuatu. Then, ito yung itsura ng mapa nila. So, let's move on sa Fiji naman. So, ang capital ng Fiji is Suva City. Itsura ng flag nila ito. Then, yung tagline nila is where the happiness finds you. Yung airport is Nadi International Airport or NAN. Ang sikat na food sa kanila is kawaki or sea urchin. Currency is Fijian dollar. Then, sa religion naman, lamang ang Christianity. For carrier, Fiji Airways. And yung festival nila is Diwali. Or it involves all kinds of light. And sineselebrate nila ito dahil victory of evil. Ganun yung representation nila sa Diwali. Ito yung itsura ng mapa nila. Then, tourist spot is Yasawa. Sikat ito kasi meron siyang magandang color ng beach and refreshing water. Maganda yung view. So, kung gusto mo talaga mag-relax, kung pupunta ka sa Fiji, very recommended itong tourist spot na Yasawa. Next is Solomon Islands. So, Solomon Islands, ito yung itsura ng flag nila. Then, yung